Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to make a banana. We are going to need a hook and some yellow bands. We're going to need like 10 yellow bands and 2 black. So first we're going to wrap around our black 3 times. 1, 2, 3. So you should get something like that. Now we're going to put it over, then take 3 yellows and do this, and then do that. Now take our black ones and pull it over, just like that. Now we're going to put it on the other side of on our hook, just like this. So you should get something just like that now. Now we're going to take 3 yellows again, do the same thing. Take that, but put our yellows on, just like that. Now we're going to put it on the other side of our hook, like that. And then we're going to take 3. Then put it over, like this. Now, if I told you the wrong number, I'm so sorry. We actually need 2 more. So now take 3 and put it over. And then do the same thing. Take it over and put it over. Okay, now pull it over like this. Now we're just going to take 1 black band, pull it, and take all the yellow ones and put it on the black band. The black band is the only thing holding the thing. Now we're going to put it over like that. Now we're going to take our right one and take it off. So you should have something like that now. Now we're going to just pull. And there is your banana. Thank you for watching. Hope you like and subscribe and loved what you see. Bye.